Hi, hello, this is Ashraf. We meet again in this new video. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you on how to create a basic models by using only 10 cubes. Okay, we are going to make a model that looks like this. Okay, this is models, okay, that being shown in the Blender books, okay, whereby all these objects were modeled or were arranged, were formed just only by using 10 cube mesh. Okay, so how to do that, I'm going to show it here. If you new to Blender, you might view my previous video on how to add mesh, and also video on how to do the manipulations, object rotations, scaling, and also how to translate objects, because in all of this will involve rotations, scale, and translations. All right, okay, so let's get started. But I'm going to create a dog. Okay, we are going to create a dog for this exercise. All right, let's start. Okay, first of all, you must have, okay, mesh cube. Okay, we are going to use this mesh cube. Okay, and rename this mesh as a body. Okay, you go here, you go to scene selection, yeah, and you rename this cube, double click, rename to dog underscore body. All right, so yep, enter. Sorry, my nose is not so good today. All right, and then I'm going to delete these two object. Okay, I'm going to select this lamp, sorry, to select this camera and lamp and delete. Okay, because I'm not don't need both of lamp and camera right now. So this cube is dog body. So from here you can see that the body is being stretched, being scaled. Okay, being scaled on x-axis. All right, so how to do that? You select the dog body, you press S and X. All right, and then you make it longer. All right, now we have the body, so maybe I want to SY a little bit. Okay, okay, now sorry, let's add the legs. Okay, 1 2 3 4 legs. So but we just add one cube only. Okay, Shift A, mesh, cube. Okay, here. All right, so scale it down. Okay, S. Okay, and make it longer, S Z. So this is the leg. Okay, arrange the legs. So here, okay, there, okay, on the front, make sure it's, yep, this is leg. Okay, leg 1, dog underscore leg 1. Okay, so now we are going to do leg 2, leg 3, and leg 4 by duplicating the leg 1. How to duplicate is very easy. You just press Shift D. Okay, you release your mouse and press G Y. Now this is leg 2. All right, this is leg 2. Rename leg 2. Alright, again select this leg 2 and control and shift select leg 1, press Shift D, duplicate and move them, Shift D, GX and move them to the backward. So now we have this one, we rename to leg dot leg 3, supposed to be leg 3, leg 4, and actually this one is dot leg, this is dot leg 2 actually, 2 dot underscore leg 2, this is dot underscore leg 3, and this is alright 4. So now we have the body and we have 4 legs. Alright, cool. So next will be the tail. Okay, we also can duplicate the tails from the legs. Okay, you choose any legs. Okay, let's say I'm choosing this leg. Okay, duplicate Shift D and move it upwards here. Alright, yep, make it in the middle and make it smaller. Just press S and make it smaller and something like that. So now we have the tail, and you have to rename these tails to this one dot underscore tail. Alright, so now we have body, 4 legs and tail. Next is the neck. Alright, the neck. So I'm going to add new mesh cube. Okay, I'm pulling outside, rescale, press S, and how does the next looks like? Okay, the next will look slimmer here. SY, okay, SX a bit, okay, SZ a bit there. Alright, okay, now this is the neck. I will do the rotation after this. This is the neck. Dog neck. Alright, and I'm going to duplicate this neck to become the head. Shift D, move it upwards. Okay, I'm going to I'm going to make sure it's okay, I'm going to make it quite long, a little bit big. Okay, SX, okay, too long, right, maybe something there. SZ, okay, Z, alright, and a bit big on the side. SY, yep. Now we have the dog's head. Rename, make sure you rename each of the meshes. Dog's head. Alright, this is neck. So you have to orbit around to make sure that also you can press Ctrl alternate Q to open up the quad view, so you can see from front, from left, whether your objects are centered. Okay, so right, Control Q to go back to perspective view. Okay, now let's see, the neck and the head's going to rotate a bit, but first let's duplicate the head, Shift D, G, Z to make it as ears. Okay, as Z, okay, as Y, make it white. Okay, this is the ears. All right. Okay. Okay. This ears, dogs, ear dot left ear, right ear dot R. Okay, dot ear dot R. R for right. Shift D. Shift D. G Y. Control Q from top view. Okay. Shift D G Y. Yeah. Okay. Now this one is dog ear dot L. L for left. Okay. Now how to make the neck, the head, and both of the ears to tilt and looks downwards. Okay, it's easy. You just select this, shift select head, and also shift and select the ears, sorry, and you press R for rotation, or you can go here, this here. All right, rotate to, and you just rotate it a little bit there. Okay, forward. Okay, and then this one, rotate. Or the shortcut key is R for rotation tool. Okay, yep. And now you can see, you see the ears, it's quite pointing outside. So what you have to do is just click these ears and press R, Z. Yep. R, Z. R is for rotation tool. This shortcut, you can still use this. Okay, and select the blue color. Right. Oh, sorry. What's that? Yep. Yeah. So now I have a dog that being formed by using only 10 cubes. Okay, is it 10? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. This is 10. You see? It's very easy. Okay. So now the last thing, maybe you select all these, press A, make it move. Okay, and you put some, just put a plane, mesh plane to make it stand on the ground. Yep. Okay, so it's a very easy tutorial in this video. So we have covered on how to create a dog by using only 10 cube mesh, and I have covered also on how to resize, how to rotate, and how to scale, and how to form a basic docs model. All right, till then, see you again in the next video. Bye bye.